How to fix your purchase could not be completed. Contact iTunes Store support to complete this transaction problem. So if you want to fix your purchase could not be completed, contact iTunes Store support to complete this transaction problem. Then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you have a stable internet connection, you need to open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down and go with general. Under general, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then tap on reset network settings or reset all settings. After resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go back and then tap on your name. Once you tap on your name, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of media and purchases. Tap on that and then tap on view account. Now, after a few seconds of loading, in your view account, you will find the option of manage payments. In manage payments, you will find all of your payment methods. So if you see any kind of error in your payment method, then what you have to do is simply change the payment method or try to add any other payment method if you have, or remove the payment method and try add a new payment method. And if you've already tried that and it's not working, then the only solution is to describe the error to Apple. So you need to go with your iTunes store and contact the iTunes store support so that they can help you in a better way. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.